Hello. So this week it's all about the windows. The windows are coming in, they've been delivered, and last week we had off, so it's time to put them in. And a little sneak peek, that's one in there. It's going good. So let's show you how it works. So here we are putting in the windows, and it's quite a number of steps to put the windows in, so we've got to keep concentrating, otherwise let's go back and check. So basically we take the pane of the window out and just put the frame in. The frame sits on these little bricks that we've put in, and we've plastered the underside here so that it's basically level. The little bricks just add that 1.5 centimeters so that the window's sitting nicely in the middle of the opening. What happens then is we make sure that the levels are correct, that the window is flush against the outside wall. We've drilled in room for the screws. You can see those, maybe not. This one has 3 in them, the small ones have 2. Then we're just using wedges up here to make sure that the window is on the right level, on the horizontal, as well as the vertical, I should say, as well as the horizontal. Yeah. And we're making sure that it's taped. So this tape is basically on the outside. It's with a sticky band to stick against the wall. So it's like an air stop and an insulator. And that looks like this then. Yep. And then the whole gap is filled with foam. There's a little bit of a problem with that the foam nozzle we're using is a little bit short, but it kind of looks like this. And what we do then is just like push this foam in. And once that's set, then we've got a window frame in. We've done the small ones here. That one's looking pretty complete now. I'll just show you from the outside. Here we go. And this will of course be what we add onto the wall here as insulation, so the window will then be sitting inside. It'll look like it's inside, even though it's flush now to this wall. It'll look like it's sitting a few centimeters inside the wall. And you'll no longer be able to see the wooden frame, just the metal. Something's missing from this picture. The crane has been transported away. We've had it for a long time now and it's gone, which means that we would be able to start clearing up and creating the garden space, as well as laying in the thermal energy coils in the garden, if that's what we're going to do. It's either lay the coils in like a 2-meter wide trench up and then back down the garden, or we'll be boring something like 100-meter deep thermal energy well, where we basically get the heat out of a single spot in the garden instead of the collected mass. But it depends on cost, so updates will follow. So we've got most of the windows in. Just one window that you can open to go, and that is waiting for us to check the tarp. It's on the terrace side, so there's a little bit of water coming through the tarp, and we want to make sure that's sealed before we put the window in. And then we've got a couple of doors to do, and the big fixed glass window panes. They're 170 kilos heavy, so we're going to need some help to put them in. Two of us won't be able to do it, so we'll have to get a couple of guys to help us with that, and then we can get it done. But so far it's worked quite well. It's a slow process putting the windows in, but once they're in, it makes a big difference. Don't hear anything from outside anymore. That's triple glazed glass, so pretty good. High insulation factor, and that'll be good for winter. Anyway, we'll show you once we get that organized how we get those massive windows in. It's going to be a bit of a challenge.